This is a series of videos. Please refer to the methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to learn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during your crocheting process. Please make sure to first view the beginning 10 instructional videos to learn the basic methods of crocheting, and then view the instructional videos for your purchased product. The Highland kettle fat. We'll use double strands of yarn to crochet this kettle. Take out 2 strands of corresponding yarn from the kit and combine them together like this. Wrap the yarn around your knit finger and then bring it up to index finger. The yarn can be pulled freely like this. If the yarn tail is too long, we can pull the other side to shorten it. Leave a long yarn tail here. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Bend your knit finger to press the yarn. Working to magic ring, make loop around your middle finger. And pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. Working to magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your knit finger. Then bring it up to index finger. Make loop around your middle finger. Pinch the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on your middle finger. Yarn on the hook, pull up a loop. The loop on the middle finger becomes the magic ring. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 8 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. First, work a chain stitch. Yarn on the hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. The chain stitch at the beginning is trace height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 8 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Insert hook into the magic ring. Pull up loop through the magic ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn on the hook, pull through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is done. Such a V shape is formed on the side. Each V shape stands for 1 stitch. Place a marker in the first stitch. Through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is done. Such a V shape is also formed on the side. Continue to work 6 more single crochets in the same way. Eight single crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger, and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the fabric with your thumb and middle finger. Finally, remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert the hook into the mark stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the original loop on the hook. Tighten up. That's 1 slip stitch. Snip stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. That's a snip stitch. Repeat. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. Repeat 1 more time. Okay, that's a snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into the number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 8 increases. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 8 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Now work the first increase. First, work 1 single crochet in the stitch where we just worked the snip stitch of last round. Once some crochet is done, such a V shape is formed on the side. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Then work one more single crochet in the same stitch. Two single crochets in the same stitch are finished. That's one increase. Increase. Increase means working two single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we'll show how to work one increase. First, work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then work one more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done. Now work the second increase. First, work one single crochet in the next stitch. Then work one more single crochet in the same stitch. The second increase is done. Continue to work 6 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Eight increases are done. Remove the marker. Work one slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert hook into the mark stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the wrench loop on the hook. Tighten up. That's one snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into the number of stitches. Round 2 is done.